Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe, push that notification bell. I post on Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays at 6 p.m. Like Great British Time, so GMT. And I thank each and every one of you who have subscribed so far, and I thank you today if you do too. And as you can see, I have now got my short hair, which if you haven't seen, my mum cut it off. Well, she cut it off over a week ago, but for you it would have been Monday. So go back and watch that video. I'll leave it in the description box down below with my previous video. And I hope you enjoy me making this for you. I've been asked, well, mainly on Instagram, if I could do hair tutorials. So that's why I'm adding a few in. And if you do like them, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know if you want me to show you how I do any of my other styles. So I'm going to try and show you well, it'll be 2 or 3, but there'll be other ways of you being able to do it as well, this being one of them, dead easy. So I'll start with this one and then I will show you the rest as we go on. All you need is hair, straight or curly, frizzy, whatever you want. You'll need a clip, 2 hairbands and a hairbrush. That's all you need for all 3 ways of wearing this. Oh, and you'll also need like a bandana or a bit of ribbon or silk or a hairband to make this work. So I'm going to show you with this one, which is a bandana, but you don't need to have a bandana, but this is what this comes as. So this is the first one. The look will look like this. You might have obviously a different colour one, but I'll show you. So this is my bandana from Vera Moda, which actually I got in Mallorca, yeah, in Porto de Palença, and it is just this square bandana. You don't have to have it square, but this is what mine comes as, and it says it's from Pieces here, but I got it from Vera Moda. And then all I do is I make it into a triangle. This is quite hard to show you actually with one pair of hands, and I'm literally rolling it up now from the end of the triangle, the 1 point, if that makes sense, all the way, trying to not get my mum's jewellery in it, until it is all rolling up like so. And then all you need to do is you can put it in your hair. So you want to just put it round your neck and then up, join it together, and then I just tie mine into a double knot. And try and not get any hair in it. And then because I wear mine to the side more often, but so now I've got this bunchy bit which I don't want, so I just pull it down back down to my neck, and I can keep this if I just want to wear it like this and keep it in this knot and take it off. But all I do is put it back up onto my hairline like that, where I want it. Check in the mirror, I've got a mirror here if you can't see, and there you go. It's always 1 point is longer than the other. I had it round the other way but earlier, but it always changes when you change it. But because I've been mainly wearing it like this, I just leave it like this, and I can literally just take it out my hair now like that, and it's sorted. So that's like number 1, which is the really easy look. And again, to put it back on, I literally just put it over my head, pull my hair out, and then put it back in like so. And there you have the first look. For the second look, I will show you now. You need to plait your hair. So if you want to lace braid it, or if you want to French plait it, plait it. But I divide my hair into 2 because I'm doing 2, and then I need to show you that side though. Let's put this side. I put half of my hair in a ponytail so it's out the way, and this is me, the way I plait, which is lace braided. And so this is what I do. So I pick up my strands, which will be 3, put it through into 3. So I do it like I would be plaiting, but instead of going under, no, instead of going over, I go under, but I only take a hair from the edge. Does that make sense? And it doesn't matter if it's like lumpy and bumpy, because it just adds to the effect. And again, if you do it French plait, that really doesn't matter either. That's dead easy to do. And then when I get to the back and I'm on the like last bit, which is there, and that bit, I plait it down. Into like, so it would be bunchies, and then because I've got a slight layer in my hair, I'm just literally gonna put the ponytail, the elastic in there. I hope that showed up well on camera because I was looking in the mirror whilst explaining that to you. And then I'm just going to do the other side now, and then I'll show you where I put the band in. And then I put the elastic in that side. Okay, so if you've got longer hair, your plaits would be longer. My layer stops there, so that's why I've stopped there. But you can plait longer if you want to. Or if you like the pokey out look. You can also like pancake them to pull the braid out more. But I like mine like this. And then all I do is put this back over my head. And then put that on over the top, and then you've got your pigtails coming down, and then that's it from the back. And this is what I wore on my self-care bundle video, my giveaway, which is still running this week up until the 31st, so a little bit of next week as well. So if you want to enter that, that will be in the description box down below too. But this is how I wore it, but I think I had French plaits rather than lace braids. So this is look 2, simple again. You might have to plait your hair a few times to get used to plaiting it like this, but I don't know how I did it, but I just know how to do that braid on me now. And then the final one is really complicated, but I'll go through it with you now, and that will be the look. So take this out and both of your plaits. Okay, and then for this, I also want the full length. So I want to undo the bandana too. If yours is just a bit of fabric, that's totally fine too. So you want to find the middle of your bandana and position that, well, because if you've got a middle part in, I'd position that in the middle, but because mine isn't, I'm going to position this differently. So I want more of it this side than that side. And then I have just clipped it in place. And I know this looks really stupid now, but this is how I incorporate my bandana into my lace braid, like into a crown braid basically. So you start off with 2 bits of hair and this 1 bit of bandana. It does move, so just be careful with it. And then you just lace braid it like you would normal, like last time basically. And add hair just from the outside of your head. Again with this, you could do it as a crown braid, that would be easy too, but for me, I just do mine as French plaits because that's what I find. Well, this isn't French, this is lace, sorry. And then when I get to like where the braid would stop and you just plait down, I put it into a ponytail like so, and you can see the ribbon in it and it hangs down. So with this bit of ribbon here, I actually like it in my hair, but if not, I just twist it round the ponytail and then I normally just clip it back up like that, but I'm not this time. This is what I'm just going to leave it hanging. And then we'll do the other side now. So make sure you've got all the hair. Again, if you're doing this like first time round, I'd split the hair in half because even I've probably gone wonky. But there we go. So then for this, I've still got the clip in, and you just want to have 2 bits of hair and the bandana, and you just want to lace braid again. So I have really hoped for you that this isn't all hand on and you see more of the plait technique than my hands. And then again, I'm at the bottom of my hair, so I am getting my elastic and putting that in my hair. And then all you need to do is take out the grip, and there you have your bandana plaits. I think it'd be cool to do it as the crown braid as well and have join this in the middle. And also for me, for work, I could do this, so I work, this is how I wear my hair, but I put the plaits together in the middle. But yeah, I hope you found all of these hairstyles really easy. I think I'm getting sick. If not, I've just been out in the cold filming a lookbook. It's like minus 1.5 outside, and I've just filmed a lookbook for you in it, which will come on Saturday. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you like these hairstyles, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below your favourite out of these, and if you'd like to try or will try any. Please also subscribe, push that notification bell to see when I post. Thanks for watching. Bye.